Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the new Aohi 40W MagCube PD charger. It has two charging ports, has a flip out wall prongs right there, and it has a indicator light. So we'll go ahead and plug that in right now. This does 40 watts. This is suitable for iPad Pro, iPhone 13 Pro Max, all of your other devices that have USB-C charging. We're going to go ahead and charge up these one more Comfo buds on this infinity cable from Charge ASAP. So plug it right into here, and there we go. We can see the blue light's on the cable and the green light is on here. It's charging, and then you can see that it's charging there. But what I want to show you is it's really cool, magnetic. So now as you can see, it's blue here and it's green here, and now it's charging again. You can get this now from Aohi. It's the 40-watt dual port charger, and you can get this cable from Charge ASAP. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.